This video is brought to you by Coda Octopus.
Diver Augmented Vision Display System.
The DAVD Flex system incorporates the use of a HUD.
Using a pair of transparent glasses mounted in the diver's helmet, full face masks, or the faceplate of dive suit as a visualization aid, and data hub underwater. This concept is protected by patent number US 108777282. The DAVD HUD is in adoption with the US Navy.
Examples of users of the DAVD currently include: the DAVD also benefits from CE marking, both for the UK and the European Union. What is DAVD Flex? The DAVD Flex system is an end-to-end diver management system that provides a fully integrated suite of sensor capabilities to the diver and dive supervisor in real time. Furthermore, not only does the diver have on-demand access to a full range of sensor data, including drawings, video images, photographs, compass data, bottom time, etc., but both the dive supervisor and the diver can view the same scene underwater concurrently. The DAVD system also provides digital audio communications between the diver and dive supervisor. The DAVD system, by optionally using the Echoscope C500 inspector system, allows the navigation of the diver to the dive site in zero visibility water conditions. Live compass and diver head tracking. DAVD Dive Vision Tracker camera system integrates our real-time compass and full head tracking system, which provides accurate and repeatable pose and look direction of the diver.
The compass heading is updated and displayed in real time for the diver and supervisor, and provides navigation assistance in challenging conditions, enhances situational awareness, and facilitates efficient coordination with supervisor. The compass real-time display allows divers to maintain a sense of direction at all times, hands-free, and can greatly reduce disorientation. The complete head tracking capability further enables the system and supervisor to monitor the diver's head movements in real time. Irrespective of the water visibility, the safety of the diver, such as heightened stress or panic
to find or locate an item or safe passage, can be witnessed by the supervisor using the DAVD system where they can intervene. This not only improves communication and task execution and efficiency, but also contributes to reduced diver fatigue, as they can focus clearly on their tasks. The DAVD system enhances safety, efficiency, and productivity in diving operations.
Enhanced digital communications. DAVD replaces the common analog communication system, standard in diving, with a fully digital system that acquires only the speech of the diver and supervisor at source, processes, cleans, and removes unwanted background noise in the audio signal prior to transmission to the other party.
The DAVD enhanced digital communication feature surpasses analog systems by delivering superior speech, clarity, and quality essential for effective communication exchange between diver and supervisor in challenging underwater environments where excessive background noise and diver breathing noise are common. DAVD digital audio technology increases safety, efficiency, and functionality in underwater communication, providing supervisors and divers with a reliable and advanced means of communication.
Ultra-low light enhanced video system.
DAVD Flex integrates our ultra-low-light, IR-capable camera system that incorporates real-time video enhancement processing and augmented reality edge detection visualization. The significant benefit of the DAVD video system over the traditional standalone system is the shared video feed, with both diver and supervisor seeing the same live video in real time. This allows effective communication between the diver and supervisor for inspection tasks, and the diver to make necessary and critical adjustments to his position and pose to improve the image clarity of the targets, only possible with the DAVD HUD video camera display. The DAVD camera's IR performance excels in low light or murky water conditions, and the edge detection further elevates the system's capabilities by highlighting object outlines, enhancing contrast, and facilitating improved identification of underwater features.
Live dive timers and alerts. Managing a dive operation safely requires the tight control of the maximum water depth and the total dive duration. These are used to keep the diver safe, and based on DAVD compression tables, provide strict guidelines for divers in excess of 18 meters or 60 feet.
The DAVD system allows live timers and alerts,
and offer the diver and supervisor a suite of benefits that fundamentally enhance safety and efficiency in underwater operations. By providing real-time monitoring of critical parameters such as bottom time, divers can adhere to safe diving practices, mitigating the risks associated with time limits. The integration of depth alerts ensures effective management of your table schedule, reducing the likelihood of decompression sickness. These timers also allow for data logging capabilities and further allow for post-dive analysis, aiding in debriefing, training, and continuous improvement. Overall, live timers and alerts ensure a safer and more controlled underwater experience for divers. Mission overlays step-by-step procedures. Project documentation and procedural instructions for complex tasks are normally conveyed to a diver during the pre-dive briefing. The amount of information can be overwhelming for the diver, highlighting a risk for missteps or incorrect detail.
DAVD allows the creation of step-by-step instructions, referred to as mission overlays, with as much visual and text content as required by the procedure. The mission overlays are prior to the dive mission pre-loaded into the DAVD system project,
and can be displayed to the diver in the HUD, with simple workflow allowing advancement through the process, step by step. This is an excellent capability for complex task or instructional-based dive operations.
This key DAVD feature also reduces the cognitive load on divers,
allowing them to maintain focus amidst limited visibility and potentially hazardous conditions. These instructions prove particularly valuable for emergency response, training purposes, and during complex operations, where coordination and adherence to specific procedures are critical for the success of the operation. Live digital depth with profiling.
DAVD incorporates a real-time digital pressure depth sensor.
This provides real-time depth to the diver and supervisor on their respective displays.
The real-time depth profiling and logging provided by DAVD are integral aspects of diving.
This offers immediate and accurate depth information, which ensures that divers adhere to safe depth limits and minimizing the risk of decompression sickness and related hazards. The continuous logging of depth profiles also facilitates thorough data analysis for performance assessment, pattern recognition, contributing to training, protocol improvement, and overall safety enhancement.
DAVD provides live alerts based on the real-time depth data to enable timely responses to potential issues such as barotrauma or decompression sickness,
reinforcing the critical role of depth profiling in supporting diver safety and operational efficiency during underwater activities. On-demand media, video, drawings, images, models, and more. Project documentation, drawings, charts, and other forms of media all form part of a project repository system that are critical to the supervisor to execute programs safely and accurately.
DAVD allows the supervisor to store and share in real time all forms of dive information, including
drawings, charts, images, videos, 3D models that can include technical drawings or objects that can be better understood in 3D compared to a flat drawing or sketch. The on-demand DAVD media can be selectively displayed to the diver in the HUD at any moment, which allows the diver and supervisor to communicate whilst looking at the same reference material, allowing real-time decision-making between diver and supervisor. Media can be loaded into the DAVD system prior to the dive or during the live dive, allowing the supervisor perhaps record a short instructional video, take images of an object with a cell phone, or mark up existing plans with revisions or additional content. Thank you for watching this short presentation, which we hope you have found useful. If you have questions, feedback, or want to get in touch, Coda Octopus has a dedicated 24 hours technical support team. You can reach us by email
at sales@codaoctopus.com
or call our universal number +44 1315 537003 or our America's support number +1 888 340 CODA.